Good afternoon, ma'am.
How's your day, class? That's good to hear. So now, class, I have here a picture of a chocolate bar divided into equal parts. So ngayon, sino makapagsasabi sa akin kung aling chocolate bar ang may shaded?
1/4 of the chocolate bar.
Good. That's called fraction. It shows a part of a whole piece. The top number tells how many parts are shaded. What do we call that number? Is that
Numerator.
the bottom number shows how many parts are the whole is divided into. What do we call that? Miss Bell?
Denominator.
Excellent. Now that we remember what fractions are, let's learn how to add and subtract them. Okay class, I have a video here. All you have to do is to watch a video. After that, I will ask some questions.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Half a pie, half a tree. Halves of different things are different sizes, you see. But a half is a half, big or small. It takes two halves to make one whole.
Fractions are equal-sized parts of a whole. When it comes to halves, there are two equal-sized parts that make up one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
1/2. 1/3.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a square. Fractions, fractions, they're right here. Tells how many parts there are. Tells how many parts you got. When you have parts, parts of the whole. Fractions, fractions, what you need to know. 1/3 of a pie, 1/3 of a bar. Thirds of different things are different sizes by far, but a third is a third, big or small. It takes 3/3 to make one whole.
It takes 3/3 to make one whole. 1/3, then 2/3, and 3/3. That's one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
2/3. 3/4.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Numerator never under on the top.
And U for never
D
under.
for denominator's always down.
D for down.
Numerator up, denominator down. Fractions, fractions are all around. Quarter circle, quarter square. 1/4 plus 3/4 makes one whole right here. And a quarter is a quarter, big or small. It takes 4/4 to make one whole.
Try to say these fractions.
1/4. 3/4. 6/8. 15/16.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright.
What was the song about? Miss Danica?
It's about fraction.
That's right. What did you notice about the shape picture shown in a video? What is a fraction?
Fractions show parts of the whole.
Very good. The video reminded us what fractions are. Today, we will learn how to add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers. Before we begin adding and subtracting fractions, let's recall what is fraction. A fraction shows a part of a whole. It has two parts. In 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now, let's talk about mixed numbers. A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction like 1 and 1/2 or 2 and 3/4. Let's start with a simple example. 2/5 plus 1/5 is equals to 3/5. Class, what do you notice about the fractions? Miss Romero.
They have the same denominator.
Very good. When two fractions have the same denominator, what do we do with the numerator?
We add them.
So 2 plus 1 equals, Miss Bernadette?
3.
Very good. Good. We just keep the denominator the same. So 2/5 plus 1/5 is equals to 3/5. Let's try subtraction this time. 7/8 minus 3/8 is equals to 4/8. So now, what do you notice the denominators again? Miss Danica.
They are the same.
Very good. So we just subtract the numerator. 7 minus 3 equals. Miss Romero.
4.
Correct. We keep the denominator and so our answer is 4/8 simplified in 1/2. So class, what we have learned today? Miss Vivian.
A fraction is a part of a whole. Mixed number has a whole number and a fraction.
So now, how do we add or subtract fractions with the same denominators?
We had to subtract the numerator.
So what if denominators are different? Okay, Miss Danica.
When denominators are different, we find the least common denominator first.
Good. You really understood how to add and subtract fractions. Now, I will divide you into 2 groups. In the first row, group 1, and the second row, group 2. Here's the activity of the group 1. Number 1, find the sum of the following. Number 2. Number 2 is the situation. Lisa baked a chocolate bar. She ate 1/4 of it in the morning and 2/4 in the afternoon. How much of the chocolate bar did she eat in all? So number 3, 3/8 plus 1/8 is equals to blank. Here's the activity of the group 2. You will find the difference of the following fractions. Number 2 is the situation. Anna baked a chocolate cake. She gave 3/10 of it to her friends and 7/10 of the cake was left. How much of the cake remained after giving some to her friends? Number 3, 5/6 minus 2/6 is equals to blank. So here's the rubrics of this activity. Okay class, time's up. So now let's present your group activity. So here are the work of group 1. Number 1 answer is 3/4 and number 2. Lisa ate 3/4 of the chocolate bar. And number 3 is 4/8.
Okay, classmate, here's the answer of group 2. Number 1. 7/10 minus 3/10 is equal to 4/10. Number 2. 3/10 minus 7/10 is equal to negative 4/10. Number 3. 5/6 minus 2/6 is equals to 3/6.
Okay class, please get 1 option of paper and answer this. Now, pass the paper. For your assignment, answer in your notebook. Create a short, real-life problem involving adding or subtracting fractions. Solve and explain your